So once again, very good evening, everyone. So today we are here for doing a group discussion. Okay, we are gathered here for doing group discussion. And what is the topic of group discussion? Our smartphone destroying family time. Okay, so we all aware this issue because we are using smartphones nowadays. Actually, we are also smart nowadays. So our all tasks are we are totally depend on smartphones. Okay, so from morning to evening, from afternoon, if we talk about afternoon, morning to evening, means every task be done with our smartphones. Okay, so how you manage your time with your family? So this is the better question for you, means how will you manage your time for your family? Okay, so one by one we will discuss what is smartphone and how smartphone damage our eyes, damage our family time, damage our relationships, damage our life skills and all. Okay, so right now we are not physically fit or mentally fit, just we are using smartphones. So sometimes we are so many mental pressures on our life, on our health, etc. Okay, so one by one you will initiate this topic. You have to discuss how smartphone impact on your life and your family life also. Okay, so one by one we will start this topic. So Harsh will initiate this topic. Harsh.
So yes, as we all know that smartphone is destroying our family time and it is also destroying our childhood memories, because as we all know that we if we will use excessive we will use excessive smartphone too much for too much time for a long period, so our eyes will be damaged and our and and we can't study without phone, because everyone thinks that everything will be in future, means everything will be because of AI, everything will be happen because of AI, and everyone should use phone but not too much, because it cause a harmful damage on our eyes, and because of those whole thing our family time is getting less, and because of this we are not means we are not live too much, we cannot spend too much time with our family members, with our friend, and because many time we play games while eating food, means every time we play games or we operate mobile, so we should try to less to use mobile.
Yes, really. Smartphones are waste our time, and we cannot communication with our families, and like we are going to 15-year back. So anyone have not mobile, so how he always play with our communication with his family members and play with his friends.
Yes, it is true that smartphones destroying family time, because all the people and children uses smartphones, so they don't get a chance to spend time with their family.
Everyone are using smartphones, so they did not get the time to spend the time with the families and also friends. We are wasting our time on mobile, and at one time people used to play with their friends and used to sit with the family and used to talk.
This statement is correct because of family members using the all-time smartphone, and smartphone disturbing your family life and relationship because of all people using the smartphone on all time, not give the time on the family members.
Okay, so everyone is saying yes that smartphones are destroying their family time. So yes, I think also that smartphones are destroying their family time, because if there are four members in the family, so everyone have their personal phone and they are engaged in it, doing some work or entertaining themselves by smartphones. They are not focusing on their studies and families, because I think that they are addicted to it. Means I don't mean that smartphones are bad. They are good, but if we use them and we operate them in a limited time, so it is good. Or if we are using it excessively, so it is harmful for you and for your family also, because they want you to interact with us and sit together and eat the lunch. They also want some care, as we know that in this world everyone need care. Plants, animal, human, all need care and love. So if you are not giving your parents love, so I think that your life is boring.
Yes. So actually, Harshit, I am agree with you. I am agree with your words. Actually, right now, today's time means our family interaction, our one-to-one interaction is very less. Just like we interact our family relatives, our family members with the help of smartphones, with the help of some smart gadgets and all. Okay, by the help of some social media and all. But our particular physical meetup is very less nowadays. So Samyak will tell you means how can we improve our physical meetup and how can we reduce this kind of things just like smartphone excessive use and all.
So I'm gonna answer this question that we are doing less extracurricular activities and using the smartphone more. So it's very harmful that we should our mind should be open mind that we should not use smartphones more, because as, there are so many benefits and there are so many negative impacts on us, and because of the smartphone we have to be respect. That's the very main causes. And like if I talk about, so it's depend on us how we use. If we use wisely, so it is good. If we not use wisely, so it is bad for our and for our family also, because we are not able to spend time with them. If we want to do some extracurricular activities instead of using a smartphone, so we can do we should not use them too much. We have to convince our mind that we are first you have to make a routine that on this time you have to use a smartphone, and on that time you have to do extracurricular activities. And there are so many applications that are stored in smartphones. But from apart from this, we can also play the outdoor and indoor game like chess. And if you like to play some games, so you can if we talk about indoor games, so you can also play video games. So you are if you want to use a smartphone, so you can also use it as a distance meter. Like you have to cover distance as according to a distance. That's all from me.
Yes, smartphones use can difficult destroy family time, and many pupils yes, many pupils watch the mobile more time, but this is a very harmful for our eyes and health. So we should not use mobile more time. That's
As you can see in this photo, his parents are operating phone and his child is getting bored.
Yeah. Yes, I am fully agree with all of you, and I am telling you, means before means before 2019 or 2020, when Corona comes, so people don't use too much mobile, because they like to do take care of their family members. If anyone have Corona, so they like to do take care of that person, because at that time there was a cost of the dead person. And but nowadays people don't take care of their family members. If anything is happening to him, so we will not do anything. So but before 2019, people use less mobile, and they do too much to take care of their family members. And if they have to do time pass, so they can means they can share something about any person. They can play ludo, means offline, and they can do some indoor activities. And for some means if they need they have to eat any kind of junk food of means like restaurant or hotel, so they can make it at their home by the help of mobile.
We only focusing on smartphone, and our mental and physical health is not well, and our study we are not focus on our study.
Yes, people use smartphones more time, so their eyes are damaged, so their family members face so many problems.
Now no one row and meet to the to the their family members, and only give deeds of festivals on the mobile. This is too bad, and we cannot even to spend time with our family, and we also broach our relationships.
In the time of festivals, give, people give the blessings on the phone. But in the time of 15 year ago, people go to their house and give the blessings and time spent. But today is not time spent in the people in the festival of time, and he will give send a message on the wishing festivals.
Okay, so everyone told their points. So next, I would like to suggest some ways so that you can save your time for your family. We can interact with them, and the benefits are we can interact with them. We should use the smartphone for a less time, and whenever we are doing our lunch or dinner, so we have to do it together, because when we do lunch or dinner together, so our relationships and our love increases with our parents and our family members. The most important thing, personally, I think that is for me is talking with my father and mother and playing with my brother.
Okay, so I just want to say that how can we spend time with our family members? So many, how, what are the ways that by which we can spend time with our family member? So there are many ways. Instead of using smartphones, we can spend time with our family members. Like we can help them in cooking. We can cook anything with them that we know how to cook properly, and we can also play indoor and outdoor games with them. And we can also watch a movie, like we can create a movie by and watch the movie, and make a movie night. Please don't students.
Yes, many pupils focus on only busy and the mobile, and they had no talk with family members, and they create the distance and relationship, and create the distance relationship, and don't talk about family. So that's all.
And in family, at 10 to 15 years, there were no smartphones, and uh, at this time, children often to play the cricket and some outdoor game for his physically strength and physically help mental health and strength. And just like you can play Ludo, chess in indoor game, there is a good choice for there is a good choice for play in the indoor games.
Many people use also phone. It is harmful for humans, and don't use phone and focus our yesterday.
The phone are destroy our family time, and it is a phone is destroy our daily time.
The smartphone is destroying of family time because people and children of using of smartphone any all time.
Now I just want to tell that how can we reduce using smartphones. We can reduce using smartphones by if we are getting bored, so we can play indoor or outdoor games. If and that's all.
And in using the smartphone in the all time, and your child is not the time is manage your family, so because of your family is not like you, because of you are only using mobile, not focusing on the family.
Many people, many people more operate the mobile, and we it's a damage our eyes, and we can use a smartphone like a extracurricular activity and exercise.
Many people operate much time of phone, so their eye are destroyed, and
this is harmful for everyone, and this is destroy our family time.
Smartphones can smartphones can negatively impact of family time by causing to reduce it and satisfying to relations.
People when become too busy with their smart device, they be- they become disconnect from family members, leading to a lack emotional and physical contact. Smartphones cause trouble. Smartphones cause trouble overuse.
Yes, smartphone can destroy family time because distraction, reducing face-to-face interaction, and disrupting.
Smartphones are very harmful of humans.
And children using the smartphone in all time, and parents using the all time phones. In this case of parents and child using the all time phone, his eyes and his health is mentally healthy disturbed on this time.
Yes, smart. Yes, smartphone is can use this effect and reduce our real conversation, and we can talk to each other person.
We should not use smartphone very much because it is not good for us and everyone.
By causing distraction, reducing.
People do not eat food with family due to phone.
Routines like meal times leading to communications breakdown and a decline in family satisfaction.
Smartphones are very harmful of eyes and other body parts.
And in the basis of the time, children, in the basis of the child and teacher is always teaching, always using the phone in the time of teaching. So there was a harmful because of students and using the all time phone. There was a harmful for the study and time, for the study on the time.
Okay, so in conclusion, I would like to say that spend your most of the time with your family, because a great man said that the family spending time with family and playing with your brother is your first priority. And that's all from today's group discussion. Hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.